Let's be honest, a lot of kitchen gadgets look cool, but you rarely use them. So today, I found 35 smart kitchen gadgets that people actually use every single day in 2026. Some of these are surprisingly simple, but make cooking much easier. And gadget number 10 might be the one you'll want immediately. Cook more in one pot with the 6.5-quart steamer pot with lid. This non-stick soup pot includes a built-in steamer, perfect for vegetables, dumplings, pasta, and everyday meals. Designed with stay-cool handles and induction-compatible cookware, it heats evenly and safely. PFOA-free and easy to clean, it's a versatile, healthy choice for any kitchen. Keep your kitchen neat and organized with this 10-inch bamboo paper plate dispenser. Designed for under-cabinet or countertop use, it stores plates vertically for quick, easy access. Made from durable, eco-friendly bamboo, this space-saving caddy holds standard 10-inch plates securely, perfect for busy kitchens, parties, and everyday convenience. Serve soups hot and ready with the Sooklane 10.5-quart commercial soup warmer. Powered by 110V electricity, this large-capacity electric soup kettle is perfect for family gatherings, parties, and events. Featuring a stainless steel hinged lid, detachable pot, and 2 included ladles, it's portable, easy to clean, and keeps soups, stews, and sauces warm and delicious for hours. Make food prep faster and cleaner with the Ruebo Baggy Rack Holder Set. These sturdy stands hold Ziploc and freezer bags open for easy filling during meal planning and storage. Perfect for reducing spills and waste, each pack includes 4 reusable holders in a fresh green color. Simple, practical, and a must-have kitchen organizer. Create adorable Japanese rice balls at home with this onigiri mold set. Made from natural bamboo, the medium-sized wooden molds help you shape perfect onigiri quickly and easily. Ideal for DIY bento lunches, picnics, and family snacks, this kit makes cooking fun for kids and adults. Simple, traditional, and beautifully handmade. Make fresh, healthy drinks at home with the Bear 8 in 1-nut milk maker. With a 40 Oz/1.2L capacity, it effortlessly prepares soy, almond, oat milk, soups, juices, and other plant-based beverages. Features like self-cleaning, 12-hour delay, 6-hour keep warm, and one-touch operation make it convenient and hassle-free. Enjoy homemade, preservative-free drinks anytime with ease. Chop garlic and vegetables in seconds with this electric mini garlic chopper. Featuring a compact 100 milliliters capacity and powerful motor, it delivers quick, even mincing every time. USB rechargeable and portable, it's perfect for small kitchens, travel, or everyday cooking. Simple, fast, and mess-free food prep. Cook anywhere with the 1300W automatic stir-fry machine. Featuring a 6.5-liter pot and 360-degree rotation, it stirs and cooks evenly with minimal effort. Designed for home, outdoor cooking, camping, and travel, this all-in-one machine delivers fast, flavorful meals wherever you go. Make perfectly cooked rice and more with the Toshiba 5.5-cup rice cooker steamer. With simple one-touch operation and automatic keep-warm function, it delivers fluffy rice every time. The removable non-stick inner pot and inner lid make cleaning easy, while the included steaming basket lets you prepare soups, stews, grains, and oatmeal effortlessly. Stylish in silvery white, it's a reliable essential for any kitchen. Power through meal prep with this heavy-duty electric meat grinder, delivering up to 3200 W max performance. Built from durable stainless steel, it includes 2 sharp blades, 3 grinding plates, and 3 sausage tubes for perfect texture and homemade sausages. Fast, reliable, and ideal for everyday home kitchen use. Elevate your cocktails with this electric whiskey smoker kit. Featuring adjustable smoke control from 0 to 60 seconds, it lets you customize rich, smoky flavor for old fashions and bourbon drinks. Includes 6 premium wood chips and requires no butane for easy use. Finished in elegant wood grain, it's the perfect gift for men and cocktail enthusiasts. Upgrade your healthy lifestyle with the 6-in-1 upgraded nut milk maker. With a large 34-ounce capacity and 8 powerful stainless steel blades, it creates smooth soy, almond, and oat milk in minutes. This automatic plant-based milk maker also prepares shakes, soups, and more. Smart features like Keep Warm, Delay Timer, and one-touch self-cleaning make daily use effortless. Enjoy fresh, preservative-free drinks anytime, right from your kitchen. Serve and store snacks with ease using this divided serving tray. Designed with multiple compartments, a secure lid, and a built-in handle, it keeps fruits, snacks, and treats fresh and organized. Perfect for the fridge or table, this versatile snackle box and serving platter makes entertaining simple and mess-free. Grill smarter with the Blazin' Grill Rolling Grill Basket Set. This 2-piece rolling design makes flipping vegetables, seafood, and meat effortless for even cooking every time. Perfect for outdoor grilling and camping, it includes barbecue gloves for safe handling. Portable, durable, and easy to use. Take your barbecue game to the next level. Make perfect sushi at home with this easy-to-use sushi maker set. The food-grade sushi bazooka and molds help you craft clean, professional-looking rolls with rice, vegetables, and meat. Ideal for beginners and sushi lovers alike, this DIY sushi tool set makes rolling faster, mess-free, and fun, fresh, homemade sushi anytime. Bring movie night home with the West Bend Stir Crazy Hot Oil Popcorn Popper. The built-in stirring rod pops kernels evenly, while the large serving bowl lid doubles as a sharing bowl. With a 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for parties, snack time, and fresh, delicious popcorn every time. Experience clean, effortless slicing with this foldable manual bread slicer, designed for homemade and sourdough loaves. Featuring dual German RSG blades, it delivers precise, even cuts every time. The adjustable thickness scale lets you customize each slice, while the hand crank system ensures smooth, controlled operation. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body and a beautiful acacia wood base, it folds compactly for easy storage, perfect for fresh bread done right. Serve meals sustainably with these 100% compostable paper plates. Made from heavy-duty sugarcane bagasse, these 9-inch plates are sturdy, grease-resistant, and perfect for everyday meals or parties. The 125-pack offers great value, while the natural white, biodegradable design helps reduce waste. Strong, eco-friendly disposable plates you can feel good about using. Slice food quickly and evenly with this multi-purpose luncheon meat and egg slicer. Perfect for Spam, eggs, bananas, avocados, and soft vegetables, it delivers clean cuts every time. Made from rust-resistant, dishwasher-safe materials, this compact kitchen tool saves time and effort, ideal for everyday food prep. Designed for soft foods only, no bony items. Bring authentic woodfire flavor to your backyard with the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill Smoker. With 6-in-1 functionality, it grills, smokes, bakes, roasts, air fries, and broils, all powered by electric heat for consistent performance. Enjoy smoky, juicy results without the hassle of charcoal or gas. Compact, powerful, and versatile, it's outdoor cooking made easy. Cook faster and smarter with the 3-in-1 stainless steel 8-quart pressure cooker. Designed to save up to 70% cooking time, it features 3 adjustable PSI settings for perfect control. The one-hand locking system ensures safe, easy operation, while induction compatibility adds versatility. Complete with a glass lid and steamer rack, this durable Olja depression handles everything from tender meats to healthy steamed meals. Enjoy clean, great-tasting water instantly with the Black Plus Decker Countertop RO Plus UV water filter. Featuring a 5-stage filtration system with remineralization, it reduces impurities while restoring essential minerals. Choose hot or ambient water anytime. No installation required. IAPMO tested and NSF certified, this portable filter delivers safe, convenient hydration for your home or office. Handle hot dishes safely with these stainless steel anti-scalding bowl and plate gripper clips. Designed for a secure grip, they let you easily lift hot plates or bowls from the instant pot, microwave, or oven. Durable, compact, and heat-resistant, they make serving hot food safer and more convenient. Upgrade your drinking experience with the Draft Top Lift Universal Can Opener. This smooth-edge aluminum lid remover safely takes the top off beer, soda, and cocktail cans for a better aroma and smoother sip. Perfect for tailgating and creative garnishes, it's durable, easy to use, and proudly made in the USA, just like seen on Shark Tank. Slide pizzas in and out like a pro with the Checkered Chef Extra Large Pizza Peel. Made from durable stainless steel, this 13 by 15-inch metal paddle offers a sturdy surface for easy transfer to and from your oven. The folding handle saves space and makes storage simple, perfect for outdoor pizza ovens and home baking alike. Enjoy comfort meals in style with these ceramic soup bowls with vented lids. Each 32-ounce jumbo soup mug features a sturdy handle and wide 5-inch design, perfect for oatmeal, gumbo, salads, and cereal. Microwave and oven safe, this 2-pack makes heating, serving, and enjoying your favorite meals easy and mess-free. Serve your favorite meals in style with the Dowan Soup and Pasta Bowls set. Made from durable white porcelain, each 20-ounce bowl features a wide rim for easy serving and elegant presentation. Microwave and dishwasher safe, this set of 4 is perfect for soups, pasta, salads, and everyday dining. Transform your kitchen prep with the Mueller Pro Series 10 in 1 vegetable chopper. Featuring 8 interchangeable blades, it chops, dices, slices, and minces onions, potatoes, eggs, and more with precision. The built-in container keeps your counter clean, while the French fry cutter adds extra versatility. Durable, efficient, and easy to use, this all-in-one tool makes salads and meal prep faster than ever. Organize and serve in style with the Guidery Acacia Utensil Caddy. Crafted from natural wood, this multipurpose countertop organizer features divided compartments and a sturdy handle for easy carrying. Perfect for parties, picnics, kitchen counters, or trips, it keeps flatware, napkins, and utensils neatly stored, functional, stylish, and ready for any occasion. Slice pizza like a pro with the Rococo Ulu Pizza Cutter. This full-tang Mezzaluna rocker knife delivers smooth, effortless cuts through crust, toppings, and more. Designed for balance and durability, it comes with a stylish wood block for safe storage. Perfect for home kitchens and a unique Christmas gift for men and women who love cooking. Wash and dry your greens effortlessly with the Dream Farm Spina 2 in 1 salad spinner and colander. Designed to spin, strain, and serve, this collapsible tool saves space while delivering powerful drying performance. Perfect for lettuce, fruits, and vegetables, it's easy to use, easy to store, and makes fresh, crisp salads faster and more convenient. Make quick meals easy with the Sistema 1109ZS Microwave Collection Noodle Bowl. Designed for fast, even heating, it's perfect for noodles, soups, and leftovers. The secure vented lid helps prevent splatter, while the durable BPA-free design makes it safe, reusable, and ideal for everyday microwave cooking. Keep your space clean and organized with this 2.6-gallon kitchen compost bin. Designed for countertop, undersink, or cabinet door hanging, it's compact yet spacious enough for daily food waste. The secure lid helps contain odors, making it perfect for indoor or outdoor use in kitchens, bathrooms, RVs, or offices. Convenient, versatile, and space-saving for everyday living. Upgrade your food prep with the 4-in-1 electric vegetable chopper. Powered by a 200-watt motor, it slices, shreds, dices, and strips vegetables in seconds. Built for both home kitchens and commercial use, this food processor saves time, boosts efficiency, and delivers consistent, professional results every time. Upgrade your space with the EKO Mirage T touchless trash can. With a large 50-liter capacity and motion sensor technology, it opens hands-free for a cleaner, more hygienic experience. The sleek rectangular design with a brushed stainless steel finish looks modern in any kitchen or office. Quiet, convenient, and stylish, waste disposal made smarter. Upgrade your kitchen workflow with the Nyhome over-the-sink cutting board. This smart 2-in-1 design combines an anti-slip cutting surface with a collapsible colander, letting you chop, rinse, and drain right over the sink. The detachable draining basket with ergonomic handle adds comfort and control, while durable PP plastic and TPR rubber ensure stability and easy cleaning. Keep food fresh longer with the plateful electric mason jar vacuum sealer kit. This portable vacuum sealer works with both wide mouth and regular jars, locking in freshness in seconds. The kit includes reusable lids, an opener, and a USB charger, perfect for canning, meal prep, and smart food storage anywhere. Grind fresh spices and herbs with ease using the Terra 18-8 stainless steel mortar and pestle. With a 1.5 cup, 350 milliliters capacity, it's perfect for crushing spices, herbs, pills, and making pesto or powders. Durable, rust-resistant, and easy to clean, it also includes a handy brush for effortless maintenance. Make perfect waffles every time with the Chefman Anti-Overflow Belgian Waffle Maker. The mess-free moat catches excess batter, while the shade selector and temperature control let you customize every waffle. With non-stick plates, a cool touch handle, and a measuring cup included, breakfast is faster, cleaner, and more delicious. Make dishwashing easier with the Mr.Sega soap dispensing palm brush storage set. The built-in soap dispenser delivers detergent with a simple press, while durable bristles tackle pots, pans, and sinks with ease. Complete with a neat holder, it keeps your kitchen clean, organized, and efficient. Enjoy clean, safe water instantly with the PUR Plus vertical faucet mount water filtration system. This lead-reducing filter offers up to 100 gallons of purified water, installs easily, and fits most faucets with external aerators. Ideal for drinking, cooking, and everyday use, it brings convenience and peace of mind to your kitchen. Enjoy healthy, delicious frozen treats anytime with the Yonana's classic frozen fruit soft serve maker. This 200W silver machine transforms frozen fruits into creamy, dairy-free, and vegan soft serve in seconds. With 36 recipes to try, BPA-free construction, and easy-to-clean design, it's quick, simple, and perfect for guilt-free desserts at home. Keep your sink clean and clog-free with the 3-in-1 kitchen sink drain strainer. Designed to fit US standard 3.5-inch sink holes, it works as a stopper, strainer, and anti-clogging basket in one. This smart sink accessory traps food waste while allowing water to flow freely, making cleanup quick, easy, and mess-free. Experience effortless tea brewing with the Lazy Kung Fu glass tea set. This semi-automatic, drip-rotating teapot features a built-in infuser for smooth, balanced flavor every time. Made from heat-resistant, transparent glass, it's perfect for watching your tea bloom while enjoying a refined, mess-free tea ritual. Maximize your space with this 2-pack under-sink organizer. The 2-tier pull-out design glides smoothly, making items easy to reach under cabinets. Built with durable metal mesh drawers and pads for framed cabinets, it's perfect for organizing kitchens, bathrooms, and laundry rooms, turning cluttered spaces into smart storage.